Alright, in order to get a little bit better production out of the well, I finally put in a solar pump. And it's intermittently running because we got a cloudy day today. Just as soon as I start videoing, and it would have to shut off. But as you can see, I've got the big strainer on the suction, and then you can kind of see the braided line going down into the well, which is covered up here. Got a float valve down in there. Orange cable is coming from my solar panels, and then I used oh, there it goes. I used an old grinder pump box and junction panel. You can see my run dry switch is the big wire kind of curling out front, and I've got it set up to where when it's in auto, the run dry switch and the float valve are in series to try to prevent it from running dry, and then if I for some reason need to troubleshoot, I can flip it to the hand position right there, so that bypasses everything except the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker I've got on the negative side of the circuit, so it's protecting no matter what the mode is. Pretty happy with the setup. Pumps way more than I expected it to when it's running at full RPM, which it doesn't do very much on a partly cloudy day. But so that's got me thinking that maybe I need a linear current booster. We'll see. But that's that. All right, I've got another video that I'll show you what the discharge flow is like and pressure.